How to block screenshots on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, blocking screenshots on WhatsApp is automatic. That means you do not have to do any extra settings in order to block screenshots. This is the new feature of WhatsApp which will automatically block screenshots on chats and sent medias. So make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp for that. To do so, go to your Play Store, search for WhatsApp. Now, if you see an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of WhatsApp. Now, after getting the latest version, neither you nor your friend can screenshot chats or the sent medias. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.